Hey everyone, it's Edwin here from Cutting Room Creative in Nanaimo, British Columbia, Canada. Today I want to share with you a product tip for helping to combat unruly hair, especially when you're working out. You can see my hair, it's quite long and overgrown. And when I'm working out, running on the treadmill or on my spin bike, this is what typically happens. And I get all the sweat hanging down on my face and I'm constantly trying to get it out of the way. So I'm going to share a tip with you today utilizing the KMS HAIRSTAY Firm Finishing Hairspray. So what I'm going to do first is take my Varus Denman and I'm going to start working this hair up and away. Like so. As you can see, I've got a few hairs that don't reach. So I'll take the Firm Finishing Spray. I like to hold it about 6 inches away and just little shots. And then just take the palms of your hands and just form it up into place. And that should be enough to hold it there. So you can see that's not going to go anywhere now. Now I can work out so my heart's content and it won't come down into my eyes. So if you're looking for a way to get the hair off your face, especially if you may be working out, give the KMS HAIRSTAY Firm Finishing Spray a try. You won't be disappointed. Thanks everybody.